This is Chris, your warranty claim assistant from Warranty Valet. In this video, we are going to walk you through the process of claiming an IT luggage warranty. Head over to the Warranty Valet website, which outlines 3 easy steps to complete an IT luggage warranty claim. Below the step-by-step guide, you'll find IT Luggage's contact information, including their email address, phone number, 1992-305-900. Available Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., and their mailing address. Click on the first link at luggage.com/contact-us, which redirects you to the official IT Luggage website. There, select your region, the country you are from, and choose Warranty Claim as the reason. Once selected, a form will appear requesting details such as your full name, email, contact phone number, address, case size, date of purchase, store or website of purchase, and a description of the fault and how it occurred. You will also need to upload documentation such as proof of purchase, the warranty hang tag, a photo of the front of the case, and an image showing the fault. Once you've submitted these details, IT Luggage will typically respond within 1 hour regarding your claim. They may request additional information such as the height and size of the case. After reviewing everything, their team will assess your claim and offer a replacement if the issue qualifies under the manufacturer's warranty. Before I sign off, I want to remind you that if you ever face any challenges or have questions about the warranty process, we're here to help. Just visit the Warranty Valet website. We've helped thousands of customers before and are ready to assist you too. That's a wrap. See you next time.